Hello, Monroe staff. This is Tim from Technology Support with this month's quick tech tip. Today we're going to show you how to add a QR code reader to your Chromebooks for staff or students. Here's an example of what some QR codes look like. You'll find them in all kinds of places. QR code is an abbreviated form for quick response code. What this quick response code or QR code can do for you is give you quick access to websites. In the next video, Deanne will show you how to use these in the classroom. First, though, you'll be installing a QR code extension to your Chrome browser. Let's go to the Chrome Web Store. To do this, type in your address bar Chrome Web Store and press Enter. And then select Chrome Web Store from the search. Then in the search store, you want to type exactly as it's shown here. You want to type the QR code extension. And when you press enter, you see a list of extensions. You want to be sure to select the pinkish red icon code. That is the one that is approved for Monroe staff and students. Click the blue Add to Chrome button on the right. And when the pop-up window comes up, click Add Extension to your browser. You will then see the QR code icon pop up on the top of your browser. Now to read a QR code using the new icon in your browser toolbar, you'll click on the QR code extension. You'll click on the Scan a QR code button at the bottom. And when the window pops up, you will click on to use your camera, you click Allow. Now you take the printed or other QR code and you put it in front of your camera until it reads it. You see the dots catching it. The software is reading it. From there, you click. There creates a shortcut. You click the shortcut, and it takes you to your desired website. So that is how you create a QR code. You read it, and it will take you quickly and efficiently to a website of your desire. You can use this for both yourself or for students in classes. Deanne will follow up with a video on ways to use your QR codes. Thanks for listening.